What a stupid design. G'day, this thing, Dishlex Dishwasher, it's got one of these handles and it's pretty common for them to snap off. The only thing is you can't replace the little handle bit, you have to replace this whole, don't know, control panel, faceplate, facade, I don't know what it's called. I'll pop a link in the description of what they're called and where you can get them from. I've gone online and bought a replacement. It's turned up in the post. I've installed it and it literally took about 10 minutes. It's a super easy job. You can do it yourself and I'll show you how to get it done. So remember, anytime that we're doing work with appliances, make sure you've got it powered off. Open up the door of the dishwasher. You'll be able to see 6 Phillips screws that are holding this faceplate on. Undo those. It's still going to be connected with this control panel and some wires in the back, but it'll be able to hang forward so you can get access to it. Use a flat screwdriver just to pry this control box from the clips. And also there's a little cable tie, twisty tie thing here. Just use some pliers to pop that off because we're going to use that on the replacement panel. Then on the left hand side we've got the power on off button. There's 2 screws. Undo those and you'll be able to pop that switch off.
Sorry.
It'll stay connected to the dishwasher, but we'll be able to remove the faceplate. All right, we're halfway through. I told you this was going to be super quick and easy. We just need to now have a search for the screw that I dropped. And there it is, right at the back of the dirty dishwasher. All right, in a reverse order, start to reconnect it. So we've got that power button, we've got 2 screws. Just remember, you're screwing into plastic, so don't go all Mr. Olympia on your screwdriver. Just tighten it up snug. We don't want to strip these things. Replace that little cable tie, twisty tie thing, and we'll deal with that later. Next up, we're going to reconnect that cycle selection, all that panel of buttons. I found the easiest way is actually to try and line it up from the front, push the buttons through, and you'll hear a positive click, and that's when you've got the control panel clicked into those 4 little tabs, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Use that little twisty tie, cable tie thing just to secure those wires that are in the back behind the panel there. Now the face panel is just going to sit in place. It's not going to click there, so you might just need to hold it while you replace the 6 screws that are holding it in place. Same again, just remember you're screwing into plastic, so you don't have to go super tight on these things. Down below this video in the description, I've got some links there that you can use to help find the model, or the make and model of your dishwasher, and find the replacement part that you need. We want to check that it's all lined up, so shut the door, make sure the door clicks, and now let's test it out. So power on at the wall, power on at the button, and perfect, it works. I told you that was super easy. Good luck with your project. I'll see you in the next video.